Hey, it's the Lumina, and welcome back to the Realm of Death. Today is day 23 of 25 Days of Christmas. Alright, so I've got this new Christmas outfit, as you can see. Now, I don't really know what I'm going to be doing in this episode. I'm going to grab my armor real quick, though. And let's see. Yeah, I don't really need it. Oh, look, there's puppies. Let me get this sheep out of the puppy's way. Or, I guess, in their way, because they just bit him. Let's see. You know what? No, just die. You're making them angry. And I don't want the puppies angry. Alright, so... Oh, look. I've got 3 puppies. Alright, let me quickly grab the bones I have... Whoops. Wrong chest. The bones I have here in the chest. And let me tame the 3 of them. Let's go with the spotted, then the striped. Alright, there we go. He was stubborn with that. Oh, hello. And that third one, which I think is called the Ashen Wolf. Alright, you 3... Actually, all of you stand up, and I'm going to bring you all over here, actually. And then I'm going to sit you all down. And... Here we are. Hey, come back here. Come on. Come back here. No, whoa, all of you. All of you sit down. All of you sit down. Alright, okay, you're all... Come over here, all of you. All of you sit. 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 Thank you. Scooch closer to your friends. Alright, I'm gonna run over now to grab a... Oh. What the... Where's my wool? Oh, you know what? I probably got rid of my wool when I emptied out all my chests off camera. I'll grab some iron so that I can go... Do I have any wool? No, I don't. Nope, that's not a crafting table. Let me quickly sleep. Alright, now let's quickly craft real quick the shears that I'll be needing. Okay, I still have my cake and pie. Alright, let me... Where's the other sheep? Oh, well, I should be able to just get by with these 3 wool, and I don't have any dye either. Oh, there's a baby chicken. Okay, I'm gonna go down this way so that I can go get some dye. There should be some up there. You know, I'm gonna go this way, actually. Alright, and now I've got the dye for the wool. Let's go back over so that I can put the ornament on the tree. And yeah. Alright, so I shouldn't be too far off. Yeah. Pretty much right here. Oh, and it's raining. Alright, so let's quickly dye the wool. Here, let's see. Yep, 3 yellow dye. Let's run over to the tree and put the ornament on it. Where should we put it? I think we should put it somewhere over on the back side over here. And there we go. And then, actually, let me get down now. Alright. Oh, I fell. Okay, I'm gonna just... come back up now. And I think I'm just about ready to go. Oh, hey, wait. I haven't looked in the... Oh, hey, look. I've got a bunch of name tags. Alright, so... We're gonna grab the rest of my name tags. Alright. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna quickly empty out my inventory so that I can... Well, there's no real reason other than I felt like it. Now let's make our way over to... Which way do I go? Down this way. We're gonna make our way over to the anvils over here, and we're gonna start writing the names on the name tags. Alright. So, the first one is going to be... Dolgok. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that, but it's one of the dog's names. It's also one of the Talilin engine's names. In fact, all of the dogs are named after the Talilin engines. Next is Sir Hayden. Alright. Next will be... let's see. Edward Thomas. Alright, next up is... Douglas. Alright, next up is... Tom Rolt. Next up is... Midlander. Alright, next is... Alf. Alright, and next is... I don't know how to pronounce this name, so however that name there is pronounced. And finally, we have... Saint Cadfan. Alright, those are all of the names. Let's go back over to where the dogs are at. And actually, it's just about nighttime, so I'm gonna sleep now. Alright, okay. Now, we're gonna start naming all of the dogs. So first up, come here, Talilin. Oh, good girl, good girl. Alright, now, Die Pig, get out of my way. Alright, now we are going to name, first off, we are going to name, which one are we going to name? You'll be Dolgok. Alright, come here, Dolgok. Alright, sit back down. Alright, sit closer to Talilin. Alright, next we're going to name Douglas. Oh, you're not who I wanted to be, Douglas, but you work for Douglas. Come here, Douglas. Alright. Next up is... Who's next? Who's next? Sir Hayden. Come here, Sir Hayden. Alright, sit down, Sir Hayden. Thank you. Alright, let's move a couple of these down. Alright, let's see. You can be Edward Thomas. Oh, not that way, Edward Thomas. Come here, Edward Thomas. Go over that way. Come on, go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Thank you. All right, who's next? We're gonna name... you... Wait, I think I might have too many... Anyway, we're gonna name you that one. I again don't remember how to pronounce that. Come here. Come on. There we go. All right, there we go. Get out of the way, chicken. All right, so we've got 4 more name tags, and oh look, we have 4 more doggies. Okay, so we're gonna name let's see, I've got all of those. All right, let's see who's next. There you go. You'll be Tom Rolt. You'll be Midlander. And do you have it? Oh, Edward Thomas, why'd you go over there? You need to be over here, dude. There you go. Okay, that means I've got 2 more and only, it looks like 1 more dog. So you will be, which one will you be? You're Midlander. Okay, you're Tom Rolt. You'll be Saint Cadfan. Alright, so I've just got 1 more name tag, and I don't have 1 more dog. So I'm gonna grab my bones, and I'm gonna go over this way, to go get a doggy. Yeah, over this way. So, we're gonna name the last dog Alf, and just whatever dog I find first will be Alf. Let's see. Is there a dog anywhere around here that I can tame? Oh, look, there's a doggo. Okay. You will be my Alf. Hello, Alf. Come on, Alf. All right. Let's go back this way. And we'll sit Alf down once we get back over there. Okay. So, we're just pretty much making our way back over there. Hello, sheep. Alright, so, honestly, I don't know what to say right now. Hi, Alf. Alright, so... Alf, come sit down. Alright, so now we have all of our dogs. We have Tally Lynn, Dolgok, Sir Hayden, Edward Thomas, Douglas, Trick... I don't know how to pronounce his name. Alf. Yeah, that's Edward Thomas. Tom Rolt, Midlander, and Saint Cadfan. Alright, you 3 come closer. And come on. Sit down, sit down. Come on, Tom Rolt. You know what? I'll push you because you're being stubborn. Alright, so... anyways, die, chicken. And then I will feed you Tom Rolt. But anyways, that's the time we have left for this episode. It's been the Lumina, and I will see y'all loves in the next one. Goodbye.